Riviera Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're gonna go in with this bright pink right here, Bahamas. Now on the opposite eye, we're gonna take this blue and put it on the inside of our eye. Now we're gonna go on our lid with this purple. Take that same pink and we're gonna put it on our lower lash line. I'm gonna use this really crappy lipstick that I have as an eyeshadow alternative. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and make a wing. Now, while I love the tape method, this time I'm just gonna freehand it. I feel like it could be lighter, so I'm actually gonna go over it with some white. And then again with the pink. We're gonna go back in with the hot pink and just line the top. And I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of purple. Then back over it with the pink. On this side, we're gonna do a wing with black eyeliner. We can go ahead and do the opposite eye. Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna throw it all over this eye. I have this Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow in the shade Chill Girl, which is a white. We're gonna take this or any white eyeliner that you have. We're gonna put this underneath our eyebrow on this side. We're just gonna go ahead and line our brow. I don't normally do my eyebrows anyway, and I'm not gonna do my eyebrows. So this is what it is. If you do your eyebrows, go ahead, more power to you. To be honest, because I don't love the finish on it, more like a white eyeliner or even white face paint would be a lot better on this, I feel. We're gonna take the same white and put it on our lower lash line. Back to this eye, we're gonna do sprinkles all above this bright pink. So I have the same white eyeshadow, and then I have these two e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. This one's in 24 karat gold and this one's in ocean blue, the same pink. And I actually have a crappy red too. So we're gonna use those two crappy lipsticks. For this lip, I'm going to use this Bite Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the shade Glace, just on our bottom. Now we're going to take this Revlon lipstick in, I believe, Berry Couture. And we're just going to put that at the bottom as well. We're going to take the same white eyeshadow and put it on our top lip. Sprinkles. That's it. Again, I would recommend something that's not this eyeshadow that I'm trying to use. But we're gonna roll with it.